Hey everybody, it's Wisconsin Chicken Lover here. Just wanted to show a little addition that we made 5 or 6 weeks ago. We added some Cornish Cross. Oh, and she was picking. Naughty. And she's like the lowest one in the pecking order too, but they'll all peck at these Cornish Cross if they get a chance. Now this is our first time raising them. I still have to buy everything that I need in order to process them. Right now in here I have 23 of them. I started out with 30. I lost 7 in the matter of 2 days. And I think it was, I don't think that I had enough heat inside where I was raising them when I first bought them. I only had one heat lamp, and I think it dropped down. I had in my garage, I think it dropped down like 40. But since then, I moved them outside when they were 3 weeks old, I think, and it's still been dropping down outside. Probably it's dropped down as low as into the 30s, and they've been just fine. They'll all huddle up inside the old dog house, and they generate a lot of heat on their own. I haven't lost any since I've moved them outside. So yeah, they do poop a lot, and they don't do a lot of walking around. I gotta move this food. They didn't peck that too much here. Get them away from this fence. Actually, she is trying to peck at them, and she's the lowest one in the pecking order as far as our egg layers go. And she'll still peck. And that's what they do to each other. You can see, you can kind of tell the roosters from the hens by they have the redder comb on top of their head, and they also have bigger feet. This is a rooster right here. And I think this is a rooster too. That's a hen. not too many roosters in this bunch, but they'll be processed before they can, we'll know for sure. Anyway, I still gotta buy all the everything I need. In order to process them, so. Oh, there's that. There's our turkin. They're neat chickens. They're pretty friendly. They talk a lot too. I like them. They lay a kind of a longer brown egg. Kind of a long, skinny egg, I guess. So, yep, anyway, that's what Cornish Cross look like. Yeah, if you have any questions or what's all the fuss about? So anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a message or comment or whatever. I'll get back to you. This Wisconsin Chicken Lover. Take care, everybody.